So I'd like to take a break on Newman projections and talk about line angle structures again. So if we were going to draw a hexane, you probably draw it like this. And people tend to draw alkyl chains or alkanes as these zigzag notations with the line angle structures. Why does everybody draw zigzag structures? For example, you wouldn't typically see people draw a hexane like this. Although there's nothing incorrect about this lower picture, most people will show it in this representation. Well, what they're actually doing is trying to portray this line angle structure with a representation that matches what the molecule prefers to do in terms of its conformation. So this zigzag representation actually sort of emulates what we know is going to be the preferred staggered conformation of a chain like hexane. The staggered conformation, in particular the anti-conformation, keeps the different carbons in the chain as far apart as possible and reduces the energy. So that's why people tend to draw line angle structures with this extended zigzag representation, because what they're doing is, although you can't accurately show this with a line angle structure, it does try to represent the fact that this is going to be the lowest energy conformation of the molecule. So some of these things that you cannot actually represent in a line angle structure, people still try to portray as accurately as possible, even though you're limited to simply this kind of flat structure. But that's why you see alkyl chains drawn in this extended form. People are trying to imitate the staggered, particularly the anti-conformation you see in alkanes.